how to wear a sari easily. That's what I am going to show today. Certain points which I would like to remind you, which is very important before wearing a sari. Normally, chiffon saris you will find easy to wear. So today I am going to show a sari with little heavy a pallu and heavy border. That is a Kanchipuram sari. Kanchipuram saris and cotton saris are much difficult than any other material. So make sure that you are wearing the same sandal which you are planning to wear with the particular sari. So the distance between your feet should be 1 foot. So that is very important. You will get a flexibility even after wearing the sari. So make sure that you will wear the petticoat that is tying on your right hand side. So always the knot of the petticoat should be on your right hand side. And make sure you will iron the sari before you tie, because there will be lines over. So make sure that you will iron the sari. Next is, it's easy for you to wear the sari if you please the pallu first itself. Pin your pallu before you start wearing the sari. Put the pallu on the surface of a bed or somewhere, then you pleat it neatly, pin it and keep it ready, so your sari wearing will be much more easy. And also other pins, keep it very accessible while wearing the sari. If you are planning to wear heavy jewelries, always try to wear it after you finish wearing the sari.
Pin the pallu prior to the draping. Open the pallu and start pleating from one edge to other. Here I am following the line to maintain the evenness. You can even choose any design or crease line to make it more easy. Once you complete the pleating, align and pin it. Align the required length of the pallu proportionately. It's better to iron the pleats for a better fall. Now your pallu is ready. Keep at least 1 foot distance between your legs. This would help moving your legs easily after draping. Tie your petticoat towards your right hand side tightly. Start tucking the sari from your right hand side by maintaining the length. Complete one round and tuck at the starting point. Even you can tuck left and back side too. Take the other end of the sari which we already kept ready. Take it behind, bring it to the front and keep on your left shoulder. Adjust the length of the pallu according to your requirement and pin it on the left shoulder. Then take the border from the front and bring it to your back and keep it neatly towards the front. You can pin this towards your right hand side. Make sure the border is neat. Because of that, you will get a neat shape on the left hand side.
If you feel, you can put one more pin over there if the sari is heavy. Take enough space between the pin and the pleats so that you will get enough space to adjust the pleats inside. Then start pleating the sari. Adjust the length and keep the shape properly. And start pleating the sari. After pleating, leave the space inside, align the pleats, adjust the length and tuck the sari inside. Before tucking in, you can put a pin over there. Now you can tuck in. The extra sari can be adjusted towards back. Take the pallu out, remove the pin, stretch it towards back, adjust the pleat and make it tight and bring it to the front. This will help to define the body and you will have a proper shape. Secure the pleats with the pin. Now you can sit in a chair. This portion you will be able to adjust easily. Down part you sit, adjust if you don't have anyone's help. Even on the pallu, the pins can be removed or leave it as it is. Some of the tips from this video would make difference in your sari draping. Share your comments. Thank you for watching. Take care.